Acer laptops may fail to turn on due to hardware issues, software conflicts, or environmental factors. Common problems include no power at all, freezing during startup, or turning on briefly before shutting off. These issues often stem from faulty power supplies, dead batteries, overheating, corrupted operating systems, or driver conflicts. Begin troubleshooting by checking the power adapter. Use a multimeter to confirm the output voltage, which is typically 19 to 20 volts for Acer laptops. Ensure the charging port on the laptop is clean and free of debris. If possible, remove the battery and try powering on the laptop with just the adapter connected. This helps determine if the battery is the source of the problem. If the laptop powers on without the battery may need replacement. Hardware diagnostics start with a CMOS reset. Disconnect the power adapter, remove the battery if removable, and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds. Then reconnect everything and try powering on again. Faulty RAM can also cause startup problems. Reseat the RAM modules by removing and reinserting them. Ensure they are properly seated in their slots. If you have multiple RAM sticks, try booting with only one at a time to identify a potentially faulty module. Boot into safe mode to rule out driver conflicts. Hold the Shift key while restarting the laptop to access the advanced startup options. From there, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, and restart to choose Safe Mode. If the laptop works in Safe Mode, update your drivers. A corrupted BIOS can prevent booting. Update the BIOS via Acer's support site. Ensure the laptop remains powered on during the entire update process to avoid bricking the device. Overheating can cause Acer laptops to shut down unexpectedly or fail to power on. This happens when internal components get too hot, disrupting normal operation. Clean the laptop's fans and vents to ensure proper airflow. Dust buildup restricts cooling, leading to overheating. Use compressed air to gently remove debris. Consider reapplying thermal paste to the CPU and GPU. Over time, paste dries out, reducing heat transfer efficiency. Clean old paste and apply new compound evenly. Monitor temperatures using tools like HW Monitor. This software displays real-time sensor readings for CPU, GPU, and other components. Normal idle temps are under 50 degrees Celsius. If temperatures are consistently high, a cooling pad might be necessary. These pads provide additional fans to draw heat away from the laptop's underside. Regular maintenance like cleaning and monitoring helps prevent overheating issues in Acer laptops. A corrupted operating system can prevent the laptop from booting properly. The first step is to access recovery mode by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F12 or the Acer eRecovery key. This will bring up recovery options. Once in recovery mode, follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Windows. You can also use Acer's eRecovery software for guided recovery, which helps with backing up data and restoring the system. Be aware that reinstalling the operating system might erase your data. Always back up important files to an external drive before proceeding with recovery. Use the boot menu to access additional options if needed. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, advanced methods may be necessary for Acer laptop power issues. Issues like a faulty DC jack often require soldering a replacement component. Regular cleaning and software updates can prevent 70% of power issues, according to experts. According to iFixit, Acer batteries degrade faster than average due to poor ventilation. Biannual checks are recommended to maintain battery health. For warranty repairs or complex issues, contact Acer support or consider professional repair services. Expect AI-integrated support in Acer Care Center by 2026 for predictive maintenance. Acer is promoting modular designs for easier battery and power jack swaps in newer models. Focus on sustainable repairs and e-waste recycling is crucial. By 2030, AI bots are projected to handle 50% more laptop repairs, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. These trends point to a more efficient and eco-friendly future for laptop repairs.